Simple fix. Me and Bubba just went in the garage. Cleaned the power valve out of the carburetor. Put a 84 jet instead of a 76. Yeah, we added more to it. Yeah, we added more to it from the last time you guys seen it. Yeah, Shadow, I'm on YouTube right now. I want you to come over here and tell me when you get over here so I can shout you out, Shadow.
Real Frozen Media, what's up? Got a spicy little food and 7 kills. So Lippy's gonna run the 7-0 class this weekend.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro. That's some fucking content right there.
Tommy seriously said, keep talking like me. Yeah, man, this is a grudge race. Freaking 3rd gen F-body. Playboy Esco 5 just came from TikTok, y'all. Playboy Esco. Hey, Shadow 23. It do that every now and then, but it be real good when it ain't doing that. Yeah. It do that every now and then, but hey, we still live. Here go a grudge race. Y'all need to pick a car. Right lane. Hey, Shadow 23 said my YouTube channel look way better than TikTok.
So they refuse all these 3 lines. There's only 2 lanes. How the fuck am I supposed to move this car?
You just pick any lane you want.
But the Charger, he acting slow. He high. You don't know what to move. You don't know what he doing.
Then we gonna race anybody. It don't matter. We on anybody's ass. Anybody who wants some problems, we gonna just we gonna watch this right here. Yeah, it been some good cars here, y'all. Here we go right here. William Reuter. My boy just came over from TikTok, said my YouTube channel look way better. I need some more of y'all to come over here. Yeah, my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We live right now in HD. My boy said it look way better. We got Limpy over here. Y'all know Limpy? Yeah, the king of street racing. Him with the flashlight. Limpy, I got the king. Y'all want to talk to Limpy, the king of street racing. Y'all get over here, come check it out, come holler at him, and then so he can tell y'all to come on his show, y'all. He be having a talk show usually every Wednesday. He just had Miss Maverick on there. Yeah, he just had Miss Maverick on there, and they was talking about that. Boy, say, y'all get over there, man. Got all the news you can use over there. Yeah, but make sure y'all subscribe to me. Lookout Racing first. Get over there. All my people, yeah, Limpy in the building, y'all. And I'm finna let them drive the Caprice. Put this tune on there so it can go sell mode. Yeah, they got Miss Maverick on Limpy channel, y'all. Ooh. God. Yeah, Miss Maverick on. Look at him. If it ain't. TikTokers come over to my YouTube channel, y'all let me know so I can give you a shout out. This ought to be a good race right here.
Unless they're fucking tall.
I agree.
Y'all calm down. That still is homeboy, y'all. Oh, we got Blair Lyons just came from TikTok, y'all. Blair Lyons just came from TikTok. Hey, y'all come on over here. Oh, they saying left lane finna win. He looking. Okay, who was that? JC Live? Okay, JC Live just came over. Hey, Kim. Got Kim Strong in Washington, y'all. Kim Strong in Washington just came from TikTok. They already like it, talking about how good it look. And they happy. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all now though, while y'all over here, you see how good it look? I done manipulated the system to look this good, and every now and then it'll just stop working, like bam, for about 5. Oh, he like that. But anyway, it might stop working for about 5 to 10 seconds. Maximum minute. I'll be back if it, like that's the maximum. But other than that, when it is working, it's gonna be looking this good. Welcome. We got Brandon Aguilar. Okay, we got Brandon Aguilar. Hey, one more time. Let me hear you rev it. Hey, man, they said rev that motherfucker one more time, man. I'm gonna have it on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Let me see it.